Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best driving games is probably one of the most exciting and engaging ways for children to develop crucial cognitive skills, hand-eye coordination, and problem-solving abilities, all while having an absolute blast navigating virtual worlds and overcoming thrilling challenges that mimic real-world driving scenarios with age-appropriate graphics and controls. Number 5. Goopow Kids Camera Toys. Looking for the ideal gift for children aged 3 to 8? This upgraded digital camera is designed with them in mind, offering a fun and engaging way to capture memories. This toy camera boasts significantly improved photo definition compared to others on the market. It can record up to 1080p video and features an 8x digital zoom, ensuring every wonderful moment is saved clearly. Beyond capturing photos and videos, this device offers exciting features like built-in games, including motion-controlled options, and various scene selections for creative shots. With a built-in rechargeable battery providing hours of fun and a 32GB SD card included, it's simple for kids to start using right away. Just turn it on and let their creativity flow. Its compact, lightweight design and included lanyard make it easy for children to carry and hang around their necks. They can capture the beauty of nature and enjoy the experience of photography anywhere. Please note that while this camera is easy to use, charging should always be done by an adult or under adult supervision. Use a standard 1A charger for optimal performance. What we like. This camera is designed for capturing precious childhood moments with its HD video and photo capabilities. If you're looking for a durable and fun way for your little ones to explore photography, this is a great choice. It's perfect for encouraging creativity and documenting their adventures. What people say. This driving game is a fantastic way to introduce young children to the world of cars and roads. The game features a variety of vehicles, including cars, trucks, and buses, each with unique handling characteristics. Interactive elements like traffic lights and road signs add an educational layer, teaching kids about road safety in a fun and engaging manner. Number 4. RS8M 16-bit handheld video game player. Relive the joy of your childhood with this handheld game console. It features 220 unique, non-violent games that offer endless fun and replayability. This lightweight player is perfect for on-the-go entertainment. Take it on trains, planes, or buses to keep yourself or your kids entertained anywhere, anytime. It comes with a variety of games, including sports, puzzles, and educational titles. These games are designed to help exercise children's intelligence and cognitive skills. Enjoy up to 4 hours of playtime on a single charge thanks to the built-in rechargeable battery. It also supports USB charging and has an earphone port for private listening. Looking for a surprise for Christmas or a birthday? This game console is a fantastic choice that will surely delight any child. Keep your device safe and organized with the matching hard protective case. It shields it from damage and neatly stores accessories like charging cables and headphones. What we like. This handheld gaming device offers a vast library of non-violent games to keep kids entertained on the go. If you need a travel-friendly option that provides hours of fun and also helps develop cognitive skills, this is ideal. It's perfect for long journeys or keeping them occupied during downtime. What people say. The steering wheel is responsive and the pedals work well, making it feel like a real driving experience. The game offers a variety of tracks and cars to choose from, providing hours of entertainment. The graphics are impressive, with detailed environments and realistic car models. Number 3. P30S Handheld Retro Game Console for Kids. Introducing the P30S, a handheld game console designed just for kids. Its stylish, arcade-like appearance and comfortable grip make it perfect for little hands. Experience games like never before on its 3.0-inch high-definition screen, complemented by excellent speaker sound for a truly immersive visual and auditory journey. Dive into a world of fun with 220 preloaded retro games, including entertainment, sports, and adventure. It's a fantastic way to boost hand-eye coordination and problem-solving skills. With a long-lasting rechargeable battery, the fun never has to stop. It's perfect for on-the-go gaming, ensuring hours of uninterrupted entertainment. Looking for a surprising gift? This handheld game toy is ideal for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion, bringing joy and excitement to children, teens, and even adults. Its ergonomic design fits perfectly in a child's hand, making it easy and comfortable to hold for extended play sessions. The game settings are also tailored for young minds. What we like. Experience classic gaming with this handheld console featuring a vibrant screen and comfortable design. If you want to introduce your child to a variety of retro games while ensuring a pleasant gaming experience, this is a fantastic option. It's suitable for kids who enjoy a wide range of game genres and appreciate a good grip for extended play. What people say. This game is a fantastic way to introduce young children to the world of driving in a safe and engaging environment. The controls are intuitive and easy for little hands to grasp, making the gameplay smooth and enjoyable. It features a variety of colorful tracks and vehicles that keep kids entertained for hours. Number 2. JoyCat Seek and Find Game Books. Embark on exciting adventures with this Seek and Find game book. It's packed with fun themes like dinosaurs, outer space, and the ocean, offering endless exploration for your little ones. Beyond the thrill of finding hidden objects, this activity book includes engaging puzzles, mazes, and counting games. It's designed to boost essential skills like focus, creativity, and vocabulary development. Crafted with durable, waterproof, and tear-resistant paper, this book is made for little hands. Its rounded corners ensure safety, and the pages can be easily wiped clean for endless reusability. Keep your children entertained on the go with this fantastic travel activity. It's a great screen-free option for road trips, flights, or any adventure, ensuring hours of quiet fun. Looking for the perfect gift? This educational activity book is an ideal choice for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's a thoughtful present that brings both joy and learning. This set includes a reusable activity book with numerous themes, dry erase markers, a cleaning cloth, and a handy storage bag. Everything you need for hours of engaging play. What we like. This activity book provides a wealth of engaging, screen-free entertainment for young minds. If you're seeking a way to boost your child's focus, creativity, and learning skills without screens, this is an excellent pick. It's perfect for car rides, quiet time, or as a supplementary educational tool. What people say. The steering wheel is responsive and the pedals provide good feedback. The graphics are surprisingly detailed for a kid's game, with vibrant environments and clear car models. Multiple game modes offer variety, including a career mode and quick race options. Number 1. STEM Exploration Electronics Kit for Kids. Discover a world of scientific exploration with this exciting kit. It's designed to make learning about electronics fun and engaging for young minds. With more than 420 possible projects, including cool features like spray modules and RGB lights, the possibilities are endless. It's a safe and enjoyable way to grasp the fundamentals of electrical engineering. This kit includes 35 circuit parts that allow for countless combinations. Your child will easily understand concepts like series and parallel connections, making it a fantastic educational tool. Forget about complicated tools. Everything needed for learning is included, and assembly is as simple as snapping the pieces together. Just add batteries and let the experiments begin. A detailed 37-page manual and indicator cards provide 118 different ways to build circuits. This guidance sparks curiosity and builds confidence as they play and learn. Inspire your child to become a budding physicist. This kit offers hours of engaging activity, encouraging free assembly, expanded thinking, and diverse play experiences. What we like. This kit offers an incredible number of projects to explore the fundamentals of electrical engineering. If you want to spark your child's interest in science and technology with hands-on experiments, this is a must-have. It's ideal for curious kids who love to build and understand how things work. What people say. This is a fun game that kids will love. The game is easy to set up and play. It is a great way to keep kids entertained for hours. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.